Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Abbas Kamber. Today I'm going to teach you how to adding tab control, tab page and table layout panel in Mission Planner using C# program language. As usual, first we start with the initialization of autopilot. Then we are going to load the project of Mission Planner. After loading of Mission Planner, we are going to our forms. Before starting, I'm going to show you the form which we are going to make a replica. For this purpose, I'm going to compile the mission planner, and remember that Alt Control M I set a form shortcut key and Control M also shortcut key for the other form. The first form we are going to develop on the second form. We are going to create the form which we created for the practice. First of all, we are going to opening the forms by pressing Ctrl M and Alt M. As you can see the right form, we are going to create the replica of this form on the second form. So let's get started. First of all, open the form. After that, go to the toolbox. Search for the control tab and drag it on the form. After dragging the control tab, it will distribute in the pages. First page I'm going to rename as one page and other page rename as two page. As you can see, I am setting the properties of control tab, but it is not necessary to explain everything because I know you have experience by watching the previous videos how to deal the properties as you required. So that's why I'm skipping the part. After renaming the tab page, I'm going to compile the mission planner for reviewing the changes that I have made. So after that, I'm going to compile the mission planner. Before that, I'm going to search the layout panel and I'm going to drag in it. It create some partitions. It give opportunity to organize your elements on the form. Also give the opportunity for giving space related to the rows. Also you can drag for increasing the space. You can add the number of columns, but this time I'm going to add only the control tabs for demonstration. Compiling the mission planner. As you can see, I have created a shortcut key that form we are created. That shortcut is Control M. After that, we are going to compare the both forms. Sometime exception has occurred, but sometime required some values from the autopilot, which requires by mission planner. If they are not present there, then mission planner possibly shows the exception. There are many variant of exceptions, but this time our purpose not exception handling. As you can see, by pressing Alt M, the form we are creating for the replica is appeared, and Control Alt M the form we are creating right now. So congratulations, you have created a successful replica of this form. I am very happy to announce that the people of age between 45 to 55 are watching my videos. So thank you very much. It is my pleasure that I engage the seniors. Thank you very much. Thanks for the watching the video.